Mr. Russell.
Amen. This next gentleman has traveled the world. He's had million sellers in the R&B field. He's been inducted in the American Gospel Quartet Convention and holds this distinction as the only person inducted with two groups, the Five Blind Boys of Alabama, the Five Blind Boys of Mississippi. He's worldwide. He has traveled the world, as I said, and he is a living legend, not brother to Sam Cooke. He's one of the great soloists, still recording at 80 years of age. I don't think he might be saying it. Welcome, Mr. Roscoe Robinson.
And some things from the UAB Gospel Choir. Come on, greet the leaders.
I'd just like to say thank you. Thank you. And if I had a chance to say something else, I'd say, God and smile.